Hi, this is Kelly at Memory Bound, and I'm going to take you through a little walk of the Hike More album that comes in a kit from 49 Market, and you get everything you need to make the album, including the directions and full packages of paper and the album, the ephemera bits, the wishing bubbles, washi tape. So let's take a look at it. Here's the front cover, and you can see it's very dimensional. It's got die cuts on it. It's got some epoxies. It's got a little title here, Not All Who Wander Are Lost. It's got washi tape along the spine, and you can color that like I did, or you can leave it plain. Let's open it up and have a look. Right inside the front cover is the jagged flip folio, and it is actually attached to the front cover, and you can kind of see it from there. And the jagged flip folio opens like so, and then it opens to the left, and you can see there's lots of room for pictures. But wait, there's more. Then it opens to the top, and you'll have some nice little opportunity to put some memories in there. And then it opens to the bottom. So you've got 4 pages here that all open up. Let's close that up. When you get the album, this is going to be folded to the front, but in this project you're going to fold it to the back, and here you have some paper, and you've got some die cuts and a little epoxy. And then on the other page, which we just folded back, it's got a magnet here that keeps this shut, and it flips open, and you've got lots more space for embellishing and adding your memories. This page opens up to the right, and closes, and then we come over here. This page also has the jagged flip that opens up kind of like a little window, but then it continues to open, and you're going to get 2 extra pages there. Now, as you're decorating this album, you can do a lot of things on your own. You don't have to follow the directions completely. And once you kind of get the idea of it, I think then you can be creative. This second to the last page here has got a little flip that flips up. And all of these pieces come with your kit. And I turned that part into a pocket. I put some little tags in it. And then the back cover is also decorated and ready to add your photos. This album is great for maybe on a hike, a vacation, maybe for somebody special who likes the outdoors. So here is the 49 Market Hike More Flip album.